channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free SHIBA INU to your Trust Wallet account without any investment. All you need to do is to follow me through this video so you can know how you can earn freely on this site, which I'm going to be showing you right now. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called newcloudminer.com. So guys, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box below. When you click on the link, it's going to be showing you a page to where you can register as a new user. And after registration, trust me, it's not so hard. After registration, then you go ahead and log into your account. So guys, when you've logged into your account, this is how your account is going to be. Just like this. As you can see, this is what my cloud miner has already mined for me, up to 1,000 SHIBA INU. So guys, when you're on your dashboard, this is how it's going to look like. So all you need to do is, you don't need to do nothing much, because once you've registered, your miner is going to start mining automatically for you. So guys, all you need to do when you click on this wallet side, which is over here, since your miner have started mining for you, as I showed you, I've already mined up to 1,000 SHIBA INU in just a couple of hours. When you click on that wallet sign, you're going to be seeing your cryptocurrency, an option to withdraw or deposit. But I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't advise deposits. Make sure you make your research before depositing. So guys, when you also click on this cloud sign, which is over here, so guys, this is how your miner mines for you. Even if your data is not on, it's going to continue mining in the background. So guys, after that, your coins is going to be added here. As you can see, the ones I've already collected, it's going to be added here. So after that is done, you go ahead to withdraw. Click on this withdrawals, this wallet side, and when you click on the wallet side, it's going to be taking you, as I showed you before, either to withdraw or deposit. So when you click on the wallet side, it's going to be showing you an option to withdraw, and you input your SHIBA INU address, and your earnings are going to be sent to your Trust Wallet account. And the minimum for withdrawal is just 200,000 SHIBA INU for minimum withdrawal. And as you can see the miner over here, it mines very fast, and in a day you can get up to 2,000 SHIBA INU. So guys, this is how you can earn SHIBA INU directly to your Trust Wallet without any investment. And so if you like what we do on this channel by dropping free updates, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be notified on that. Thanks for watching.